for his last 22, 12 strikeouts during that stretch. And he lines one toward left center field. McCutcheon's on the run. He's not going to get that one. Utley's around third. He's going to score. Over to third is Rollins. An RBI single for Ryan Howard. 1-0 Phillies. And that has got to feel good.
Well, he's like a whole weight has been lifted off of your shoulder once you end up getting that hit.
It ends an 0 for 22 slump for Ryan Howard.
Well, he's anticipating this fastball, and you see how much quicker that bat was coming through the zone there. Good pitch, too, on the inside part of the plate. Not over swinging, and that's what you want.